Vegetable carbon black has excellent stability and can be used to create light grey to intense deep black shades, but standard pastes and powders can be difficult to work with in a manufacturing setting. In this demo, we'll show how our pourable liquid carbon black performs compared to a standard powder option in icing. The standard carbon black powder is typically a very fine, free-flowing, intense black powder. Here, we'll use it at a 0.2% use rate. It incorporates slowly into the icing, and because the powder is so fine, there can be dusting on an industrial scale. At this dosage rate, it appears medium grey in application. We'll now do the same demonstration using our 0.2% liquid carbon black. It easily incorporates into the frosting, but since it is a pourable liquid, there is no dusting to worry about. You can see it mixes easily into the frosting and has a darker colour expression than that of the powder at the same dosage rate. The colour difference occurs because the unprocessed powder has a larger particle size and therefore a lower colouring power. The liquid, on the other hand, is finely milled. The smaller particle size leads to greater colouring power, with up to 50% greater colour expression and a cost and use reduction of up to 30% when compared to other carbon blacks.